Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Idioms 446. The idiom today is to roll one's eyes. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's get right to it. If a person says that someone rolls his or her eyes, it is done to show disapproval, annoyance, frustration, or that one doesn't care about something, or to express what someone has said as ridiculous or crazy. So for all these reasons, somebody might, roll their eyes like, kind of like that. They'll roll their eyes up and down. All right, let's continue. They say eye rolling has been written in literature since the 1500s. However, in times of Shakespeare, it was often used, like for desire or flirtation. This can be seen in his play, The Rape of Lucre. Okay. In 1594, Shakespeare described the character who was the rapist, and this was the character's name, Sextus Tarquinius, as looking hungrily upon Lucre's bed and rolling his greedy eyeballs, in his head. All right, let's continue. The more modern use of eye rolling started to appear in stories in the 1960s and 70s and became popular throughout the 70s and 80s. All right, let's continue. And we got 4 examples to show just how we'll use it today. Here's the first one. Don't you roll your eyes at me, young lady. Show some respect for your mother. Yeah, I've seen this in movies and TV shows a lot. Some, like a child, especially a teenager, who would be rebellious, kind of rolling their eyes at their mother. And, the mother getting angry, like, don't you roll your eyes at me. Or number 2 here. When I told him what I know, he just rolled his eyes like I was crazy. So sometimes people do it to show that they think what somebody said is crazy. Number 3, that politician from the opposing party rolled his eyes at the president as the president gave a speech. So, like he disapproved of what he was saying. Well, maybe he thought what he was saying was crazy or ridiculous. Number 4, she rolled her eyes in frustration because she seemed totally incompetent. Yes. Or because he seemed totally incompetent. So she rolled her eyes in frustration because he seemed totally incompetent. So this is the frustration one. Somebody could try to show frustration, like, oh my God, again, he messed up. Something like that. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. I hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.